Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Sound AI. So guys, this video is an update also on my position that I have running on this on the short side, what I have been doing with this one, and am I expecting much more downside to continue on this, or what shall we make out of the price action here on Sound AI. So I'll talk about all of that in this video. And also before that, guys, if you can just go to my channel and just type in the search bar SOUN, that is the ticker symbol for Soundhound AI stock, and check out this very first video that I did 12 days ago. Yeah, it's been a little bit a while that I'm in this play, but this is when I talked about this play before. You can see in the little bit of snippet that's ongoing there, me drawing those things. But that's what I provided this play that I was wanting to enter into this. And then I talked about, well, in other videos when I was doing NVIDIA, just high level showed you after that as well. But yeah, so this is an update because I usually provide update when there's some change in my position or either a continuation, right? Or things like that. But anyways, it was quite a while wanting to revisit this, what's ongoing with this position. So let's jump right into it. Did I tell you none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes? Well, if I didn't, now I told you. All right, please do your own due diligence, guys, before you make any financial decisions. I'm just sharing here my opinion. I guarantee nothing. I'm just trading as how I trade. That's all. All right. So Soundhound AI is, well, this play that I opened at the level of the break of almost $4.95. I'm still in this play. Nothing has really changed. And so, yeah, I'm just catching on to this move. And so the reasons for that, for me to go into this was, first of all, I was watching this again a slowdown, right? So let me take you a little bit back in the past, right? And I want to take you to this price action here. And actually things will get much more clear if I take you to the 4 hours first. Let's go over there. And now you can see the trend lines as well, right? So what I talked about back then was we had over here, this is when at the peak, that we were every time going lower highs, right? And sellers were trying to push it lower all the time, but buyers would come in at that level of $7.91 at a significant level, try to push it up, but every time they would fail to take it higher. And sellers would just win and win and win, and that's what leads to this flush, right? So we got that flush, and that was the downside. And the similar thing I was seeing this time as well on Soundhound AI over here before I wanted to take this play. And let's now take a look at this one. And I was like, damn it, this is still like so much of sellers sitting, and look at this wicks up on the top, like supply zone. And every time the buyers would try to hold this level of $4.97, sellers would just push it lower and lower. And I was like, okay, this is where I want to take this play, $4.97, break off that. And that's where this was my reasoning to open this play. I know after that it has gone through some zigzag, but that's the reason. The next structure change, if it has to go back to the upside, was the level of $5.21, and that's why I had the stop loss over there. So yeah, technically, well, the stop loss we never went into that full range of the stop loss. And so yeah, I'm still in the play, and the structure is still to the downside. Now coming back to the daily interval, we have a lower pivot as well. So this is a lower high is right over here. And so yeah, we have a pivot as well. Now, as if we break this level of $4.60, there is quite a drop that we can run into. Let me actually check something real quick on my indicator as well. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. So just be prepared with this coming drop, like $4.60, because that's pretty much where the last time I was talking about, if you start to lose those levels, right? Last time we came down to the previous demand zone, that is $3.50 right over here, right? So this is where we came down, and then we found some support. But yeah, structure in my opinion is still weak. And so yeah, I'm still in the position on the short side, and then yeah, this can, in my opinion, can continue lower. And if we take a look at hourly interval, the reason I have been still holding this position with little to no problem is also, you can see it's been rejecting at below 200 hours moving average and just constantly getting weaker and weaker. And yeah, at this point, yeah, I mean, it has to really turn itself around. I'm only worried if it gets back again above $4.95. Otherwise, no. For me, this is just a continuation to the downside play. And then intraday levels have also showed up on the lower time frame, so you can just follow those as well, level by level. But those are the target areas. But yeah, partially sizing out is what I'll do. But I definitely need some drop before I start to take some partial profits out as well here. But yeah, anyways, that's just an update on SoundHound AI. I expect much more downside to come, but for that we have to break the level of $4.60. If now, let's say, as SoundHound AI for some reason gets above $4.73, yeah, I would like to a little bit start sizing out, because that little bit changes again the question, because then it just turns out to be a liquidity grab in the double bottom almost. Not a full liquidity grab, but mostly a double bottom, and then start to traverse its way higher. Because once this pattern develops, and if it develops as double bottom, that's where the structure change would start happening if we break above the level of $4.73. So that's just something I want to talk about as well. But below $4.60 is just much more drop that I expected it to do. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.